how to fix Windows won't boot from USB. So if you want to fix your Windows won't boot from USB, then what you need to do, ensure that your USB drive is bootable and formatted correctly. The first thing you should check is whether your USB drive is bootable or not. You can use different ways to check if your USB drive is bootable or not. For example, there's a free software called Mobile Live CD that allows you to run a bootable USB drive check on your computer. You can also follow your Google and then go and search for Mobile Live CD. And after searching for Mobile Live CD, you need to just click on it. And here you will have the interface on how you can use this. So this will allow you to run a bootable USB drive. Apart from that, check the file system of your USB drive as per your computer's configuration. If your computer's boot mode is UEFI, your USB must be formatted in the FAT32 file system. So format your bootable USB drive to FAT32. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.